Kasi naman nanginginig ka siya.
Hindi ko ma-comment. Awayo.
Uy, si ano? Oh my gosh.
Hello, Gogi. Ano yun?
Yan, nagago.
May any ano.
Sino yun? Yung infected?
Gago.
Ayun lang kinain niya ako.
Hello, mamamatay siya.
Oh.
Oh, kawawa na. Wala, yung kilay niya, oh. Naawa din siya.
Iba na.
Ay, malili pa ka.
Putang inang yan. Wait lang, kakamuta ko eh.
Ano ba yan, Max?
Alcohol ka nga dyan.
Oo, nagkakamuta ko eh.
Ayan na.
Alcohol ka dyan.
Ayan na.
Ano yan?
Yung parang mommy.
Parang daga.
Yung UV light nasan? Crucifix.
Rifle.
Papatayin ko sa akin. Para wala pa.
Gagi.
Gogi, patay yan. Gogi, yung leeg mo! Diyan yung leeg, no?
Dyan. Dyan. Mamatay yan, di naman.
Gogi, boy!
Okay, ikaw na rin, galingan mo. Yes! Mamatay yung karakter ko. Oh shit,
Baliw naman to eh.
Gogi, to si...
Uy, gago, naglag ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyari. Ano nangyayari?
Vlog din sa akin eh.
Ayan, okay na. Hindi ko mamatayan. Joke ko lang kayo. Hindi, kahit yung rifle yung gamitin dun, masasakal pa rin yung karakter ko. Mamaya nung maliligtas.
Ulo, Gogi, patay!
Ayan, dyan ka mamimili, Rel, kung sinililigtas mo. Ako o si si Rachel.
Gag.
Ay, ikaw pala, sarili mo o si Rachel nililigtas mo, mamili ka.
Hindi ko na eh. Hindi ko alam ano.
Mas mahirap. Mas
Ah,
mahirap
sige.
yung choice.
Sabihin ko muna yung sarili ko. Baka maligtas ko pa si Rachel.
O, sige, barilin mo yun. Ala na, patay na si Rachel, gaga.
Okay ba yan?
Gogi, iniwan ako! Gagi! Bakit naman nandun niyo, ah?
Pag nga namatay si ano, ganun din.
Ang pangit mga childhood nito. Ayaw ko sa character mo rin. Bakit yung ano, Gogi, hindi na apektuhan.
Hindi na, apektuhan yan. O, diba?
Saan?
Wala, yung
Oh my
kilay nila.
God.
Yung ulo pala. Wala, hindi mo nila si Ellie.
Ayun lang, tumalsik pa siya.
Patay na ata lahat.
Gago, namatay nga lahat.
Magugulo doon.
Ay, hindi, gago.
Lilipat. Diyan
Oh,
ka na.
tanginang yan. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko?
Uy, pinadamag. Bibilay.
Ito naman yung bilag. Sabi ko, nagligtas si Rachel.
Gago, malay ko ba? Bobo tong karakter ko eh. Bobo pala yung karakter ni Edie.
Si Rachel.
Bidang ko.
Bida ang puta. Bida ako sa inyo.
Gogi, yan patay na iniwan eh.
Deserve.
Buti mo na si Taro, gumagapang pa. Play dead. Ayaw kasi mag-play dead. Ayan tuloy.
Wala pinag-fiesta na siya.
patay na.
Ay, nako.
Minok.
Pero hindi pinakita masyado si Rachel, no? Pero,
O, ikaw na, Rel.
Bakit ako?
Pangit ng mukha ni Rel, oh.
kanina ang pogi, tapos ngayon pangit na.
Hindi lang nila. Hindi lang nila.
Papapatay na nga lang din ako. Nag-guilty naman ako.
Wag. Wag, kasi ano,
Oh, gawin lang yan.
Pangit nito.
Teach you to mess with a Marine.
Ay, nagkahiwalay sila
feeling
ulit.
ko hindi mamamatay si Rachel.
Sino to? Sino to? Sorry.
Confront.
Ikaw.
Confront.
Hindi ako nakatingin sila yung anong meron.
Confront or
Ikaw.
ambush? Confront or ambush?
Sino ba tong ambush?
Si Jason. Si Jason.
Wag. Confront
Si-
si,
pero
lang,
si-
kasi pag
si-
inambush mo yan,
I come in peace. Don't you fucking move. You alone? Anyone else make it?
It all happened too fast. I think it's just you and me.
Just you and me, huh? Well, that's just fucking great.
I mean, you
sabi
know
mo, I mean
her.
no harm, I mean no harm. Real, ayusin mo.
I don't mean you any harm. I swear.
Wow, hindi daw. Pero
Shit.
kanina,
I'm the one holding the gun.
ano,
You looking for trouble?
Says the American with the gun.
Buti na-check niya, ano.
Ano?
Siguro nung in-scan siguro.
We must fight as one. Sabi mo rin.
Your friend said, the enemy of my enemy is my friend. That is not
Ano
always
yung
true,
usap?
but if we both want to live, we must fight as one. The sword and the
Pinuri mo kasi
shield.
ng pinuri, patay tuloy.
pangit
You're
eh.
too wordy for my liking. I'm in.
O, diba?
Wala na.
Ito, hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyari dito.
Wala na to.
Malagpasan na natin.
Uncharted territories na
Ano
to.
nakita
Hey
ko?
guys, mag-explore kayo baka may premonition.
If I think for 1 second you're trying to cross me, best believe me.
Wala kang flashlight,
In
eh?
1 second you're dead.
Lighter.
I kill vampires. You think I'm afraid of a
Ako
jarhead?
na yung bagong jowa nung ano. Sa akin na yung lighter.
That
Nasa
looks
iyo
like our
pala
best
eh.
way through.
One of us
Kanina
holds
ko
the
nahanap
blade,
yung lighter.
the other can
Baka
sniff.
mamaya merong ano dyan. Baka may premonition, di nyo nakita ah.
Yung talaga lang sa niya sinusupok yung tubo niya. Yung magnet.
Ako naglalag yung game.
Naglalag yung game.
Go!
Gagi! Naiwan siya!
Wait lang ah.
Nagkahiwalay tuloy sila.
Hindi, may iwan talaga yan.
Ganun talaga yun?
Hmm.
Are you okay?
Yan eh.
What do you think? It's blocked. I gotta find another way
Oh
around.
boy.
Payatot eh.
I think there's a way through. I just need to clear it from my side.
Do it quick. Those things could be anywhere.
Puro ka, Diyos,
You
hindi ka
got
lang
any idea
tutubig.
what we're dealing with?
Ano ka, Kinder?
Hindi ang puta.
They're vampires.
Not possible.
My father once told me, if something looks like shit and smells like shit, you don't have to taste it to know that it's shit. Believe believe me. They're vampires. We must work together to defeat them.
Yeah, it's beginning to look like that.
Dami pa nilang chismis eh. Hindi pa nag-ano eh.
Mabubuhay pa ba yun? Yung character mo, babe?
Ewan ko. Mabubuhay pa ba yun?
Wala rin alam.
Hindi namin alam. Hanggang dito lang kami ni Rel eh. Tapos nag-new game kami. Dahil kasali na yun.
Hala, gago. Hindi siya makakalusot. Ay, nakalusot pala. Akala ko di makakalusot.
Thanks.
Tingnan mo, magnet talaga yung tubo. Pag kumaharap sa akin, ano tayo? Kahit na madilim.
Ayun o, gamit na gamit pala yung tubo.
Voice na key.
Ulit, patingin ulit. Hindi ko nakita masyado.
Nakita mo?
Ano?
Hindi.
Gamit na gamit yung tubo.
Grabe
Ulit,
naman, hindi ko
kasi
nakita
grabe
yung
to.
premonition.
Paano,
Daya to si Rel.
paano ba din?
Sana all.
May natusok.
I-escape eh. Ito. Pictures. Anong sura nun?
Ano ba yan?
Hindi yan.
Hindi yata yan eh.
Yung sa...
Yung, hindi, kaliwa, Rel, kaliwa. Isa pa, yung, yan, yung coprat sa inyo. Ayan.
Oo nga.
Oo, okay.
Oh, man. Kami na lang ata natin.
Kaya nga eh. no?
Limited.
Bakit yun lang?
What's the first thing you're gonna do when we get out of here?
Hold my son.
Ano kaya yan?
Virtual tablet.
Yung may kwento yan. Eh wala. May meron.
9 p.m. Something unholy has happened. As I sat with my wife, I noticed something in her hand. Lady Bradshaw's brooch. She must have pulled it from her shirt when she grabbed at her. Turning it over, I noticed that it looked like one of the creatures we'd exhumed from the cocoons. Were these the demons Mary had spoken about? Had Bradshaw known all along what we'd find down here? Then Mary's corpse moved. It was not my wife. It was something inhuman. It leapt at me, and only the bars of the cell spared me from its fury.
Tapos yan, horror ng horror eh.
You seem like you got your head screwed on. So I gotta ask, what the hell made you sign up with Saddam?
Sino yata yun? Si Peach.
Hindi oh.
Ay, di ba? Si ate yata eh. Nakatulog na.
Nakatulog.
Anong ako?
Ayun na.
Hindi naman ako humihilig. Baliw.
Your friend,
Okay, so sino yan?
I like him.
Kagi, sino yun?
No, gago. May
Si
multo.
Rel yan eh.
Circumstance.
Si Rel.
Any
Kuya
idea
tayo
what
rin
the
eh.
fuck
Hindi pa
went
ako
Oh,
down?
siguro
talaga.
yung YD.
Ano pa
O
yung
baka.
Naiigip
November
ako dito.
9/11.
What is the meaning of those markings on your hand?
Wala na.
It's to honor the
Ay,
dead.
ikaw yun. Sure,
It's the
sure ako
reason I
ikaw ba
fight.
yun.
Hindi talaga ako yun.
It's as good a reason as any.
It's a damn good reason. The only reason.
Bakit Rachel?
Believe.
I have no grievance with you.
Maybe you need to switch on the news.
Listen. There was a man once who built his house on the banks of a river. When the floods came, his wall washed away. When the droughts came, the water dried up and the man was thirsty. All day, the insects bit this man's flesh. Yet each night,
Kwento nitong
he says to his wife,
character niya.
we have all the fish we can eat. Your people chose this war, Jason.
I think you need to give your mouth some rest.
Baka mag-away pa sila. Pindot guys. Rel. Parang may... Oh my gosh.
Ang ganda ng lugar, no?
Lagi may pa ano eh. May pahabol eh.
Dito na kapag-burn, eh.
Uy, rel.
Ayun, perfect.
Uy, ilag rin.
Dyan yata yun Rel ah. Yung ayan nga yun Rel. Sasaksakin mo ng ano. Pinagbabawal na technique. Huwag mo sasaksakin masyado ah. Baka lumubog.
Wala, gagi.
Uy, putang gala. Rel.
Go.
Kailangan ko ipa-on all the way.
Sabagay.
Hindi naman yun
Ay,
nabaon
naman.
eh.
Hindi ka na.
Hindi sinagad.
Say we get the fuck out of here.
Hindi ko naman sinagad.
Uy, ilaw, Rel.
Tingnan natin. Wala naman.
Ang bamuliwanag.
Wala na. Walang kumikinang.
Kaya na ata yung last Rel ah.
Expect lang.
Angas. Feeling ko talaga yan. Si Rel na lang matitira dyan.
Kasi sinadya ko yung kanina. Charot.
Siya talaga yung bida eh.
Nag-ayos talaga ng
This
kilay.
should come in handy.
Kaya nga eh.
If you want to stick 60-year-old explosive in your bag, be my guest.
Mhm.
Lagi siyang maharap sa camera ang cute niya.
Those chemical weapons are close, right?
Uy, may kape ulit.
Yung sa table muna, Rel. Baka yun yung ano.
May kape.
Cafe.
Escape.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Meron pa, Rel. Meron pa.
Nope.
Knock.
1st of January, 1947, 1 a.m. The saboteur has struck again, sealing us in here. We are hopelessly trapped with those things. All around us, they shriek from the darkness. Crow has set up his machine gun, pointed towards the catacombs. Mary was right. We cannot fight that which does not live. There is only one option now. Bring the whole damn temple down on them. Even if it means bringing it down on our own heads. They cannot be allowed out of here.
Baka may susunod na premonition guys. Ah.
Nananaki na.
Hindi mo daan.
Ayun. Nakakatakot naman yan. Ah, ayun, oh, malapit na rin sana siya.
I-inspect mo ulit. Meron yan.
Tignan mo yung kamay niya, oh, malapit na sana. Ay, meron.
Baka yung buhok. Kunin yung buhok.
Baka,
Wala.
Wala.
Wala na yata.
parang umiilaw.
Wala na.
Ata yun.
It's caverns.
Whatever's down there, those explorers got there first. Hold up, will you?
What are you doing? You think they're still alive? That's hopeful.
Hope is all we got left.
Jason call check.
Pwede ba na yan?
Is that your wife?
It's funny how you can know someone for years and never really know them. I had no idea my captain was married.
That the asshole you were with earlier?
He didn't make it.
Works for me. One less bad guy to deal with.
A time will come when you'll deeply regret this manner.
Eh, that is
I don't carry regrets.
Yan na.
Diyan na ata yun.
Ano nangyayari dito?
Hindi yung premonition.
Ako na.
Hindi.
Wait lang. Mouse check.
Pero feeling ko naman kung hindi sila mag-iingay, hindi naman sila guguluhin, di ba, Rel?
nag-aano sila sa sound eh.
Oo, sa sound kasi nang alam ko eh.
Well, this place is a jack in the box.
Jackpot tayo.
What do you make of it?
It's like nothing I've ever seen.
You see that elevator cable? The explorers must have gone down.
I don't think they made it back up.
Wait lang guys, ilipot ako sa cellphone. Huwag niyo muna ano pause niyo muna, wait lang.
No?
Post.
Wait lang, lilipat ako sa phone. Wait lang, guys, saglit lang.
Anong post gusto mo?
Yan, huwag may play, wait lang.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anong post? Anong post daw yun?
Post. Hindi post.
Naka-peace sign.
Hindi ba siya saan?
Oo.
Sa phone.
Anong post?
Mag-hawak eh.
Go Max, tuloy.
Na ako eh.
We are not going down there. The archaeologists didn't make it out. What does that tell you?
We're not
Oh, bilis
archaeologists.
ka.
Our world is up there, not down
Ano yun?
below.
Bago
Well,
pa
there's
yun?
an army of monsters between us and the world above.
Kami, nasa ibang bansa ka rin. Ang ganda ng alas tres mo.
Fired up
Ay,
like
alas
crazy.
4 mo.
If those vampires come from anywhere, it's down there. You really want to find them in their own home?
What I've been doing since I set foot in this country. Get that elevator working.
Ako sa elevator gago.
Ano ba yan? Bakit sila bababa? Wala kang nakabalik pa akyat, tapos bababa sila.
Siyempre.
Wiggly pa ng elevator, oh.
Nagpipilisan mo.
Gago nagkiklip yung elevator sa chain. Yun ang elevator yan. Di gumagalaw yung chain ng puto.
An ancient horror has awoken from its slumber and is hungry for blood.
Ano yun? Tapos na?
Shall we
Oh.
see how many have fallen into shadow?
Narrator na yun.
Let's hope nothing unfortunate has befallen Sergeant K. Those taken by the abyss seldom live to tell the tale. As for Jason and Salim, sworn enemies who cannot seem to
Ano yan?
bury
Si
the
Noli de
hatchet
Castro.
unless the
Oh.
hatchet is buried.
Yung sa ang gabi ng laging.
I don't want to
Magandang
seem
gabi,
like
Mayo.
an ungracious
Di ko na yan siya
host,
naabutan,
but time is against us.
Wow. Wow.
I'll be here to greet your charges.
Wow,
across the
wala daw kasing kaya hindi lang niya daw naabutan. Ay, hindi pala sa hindi naabutan.
Sobrang tagal na.
Brownout lang daw nung time na nun.
Windows.
Patay.
Most really persona non grata. Choose most hard decision. Walk the furthest. Read the most.
O, di ba? Basic. Canon yun, canon ending. Ideal na ending.
Push na. Asan na to sila? What diner na to?
Ano, may bagong karakter? Ah,
Uy!
Uy,
Lagi
ayun.
preview to ng
Wala
isang
man.
game, Little Hope.
okay. Hindi ko alam yan.
Oh,
Uy, ayan yung di ba?
fried.
Ay, God!
We're in hillbilly
Ay, hindi.
territory.
Silang
What
dalawa
were we
pala
expecting?
yan. Buisit.
Cantaloupe
Nagkambing
caviar.
yan sa Little Hope. Yung isang game.
Not exactly honeymoon
Isang
material, is
game?
it?
Hindi namin alam yan, boy.
I recall a certain somebody saying that she
Isang
wanted to
game
go
title
ice
kasi
climbing.
Little Hope.
Ice climbing is relaxing.
Ibang setting naman sa Little Hope. So, meron pala silang history dun.
What is it?
Mamamatay din si Ray.
The guy who served me
Ito no,
I don't know.
gusto ko siyang
was
namamatay.
looking at me pretty strange.
Yeah, he probably doesn't get to see a woman like you around these parts very often, especially when we showered.
He was saying some weird shit.
Such
Little
as,
home.
It's nothing, we should go.
no, come on, tell me.
He said
What the
I'll
hell?
never again be as happy as I am now.
What the hell's that mean? You don't
Ang
believe him,
sarili
do you?
buhay yung mata niya.
Of course not.
You know, my sole objective, Rach, is to make you happy.
And Captain
It doesn't matter where we are or what
Away,
we're going
hinulog
through,
mo nga
I'll always
eh.
put a smile on your face. See,
Deserve niya.
Hulog,
told
tapos
you. Next time, all
wala
you
to,
have to do
puro
is listen, and
pangako.
I'll come running
Mga
to
puro
defend you.
pangako na papako.
Like my
Kasi
very
mangyayari
own
siya naman
loyal
tayo
puppy
ulit
dog.
ng Paul.
Oh,
Semper
puta.
Fi.
O, di ba?
It means always forward.
Kaya ikaw naman daw yung salud na mo.
I'm more than capable of looking out for myself. Now get your feet off my dash, you hillbilly.
Diyan siya parang napalantang
Buhay pa.
paa.
Buhay pala. Buhay yung
Ano to?
gagi, oh.
Hindi gagawin?
Parang Rail, doon siya nawalan ng paa. Di ba iika-ika siya dyan?
Ah,
Ay, oo. Wala, buhay kayo.
Jason. Jason, you here?
Bilis ah.
Si Rachel, ang tignan niyo kung buhay.
Patay na.
Ayan.
Pinat... Ayun na, di ba patay?
Gogi, wala na.
Nagalaw yan. Ting.
Hindi naman talaga ginagamit yun. Di ba talaga ginagamit?
What the fuck?
Basic.
Gogi, buhay din siya.
Hindi, parang infected ata siya.
Wala na tayo dito, no?
Gogi, infected na si Rachel.
Nick, I thought I lost you.
Kawawa naman yung virus. Sa kanya pa napunta.
Oh no.
Yung virus yung kawawa.
Eric,
Gogi yan.
Magbibirahan tapos biglang ganun.
Kaya nga eh.
Uy, alam niyo, hindi niyo ba napansin may nasa likod nila?
No.
Wait,
Shit, it's malfunctioning.
Nakikita niyo ba yun lagi?
Colonel, you gotta go!
hindi.
Hindi mo
you
lang.
two think they're coming with us?
Kasi yung may, oo, nakita mo ba yun, Rel? Yung
Ano ba yun?
parang naka-leather jacket.
Nakita mo. Right? Kala ko na yung mapa.
Shit.
Meron?
Mayroon.
Napansin.
Na-record mo ba yun, Rel? Mare-record mo ba yun, Rel?
Rolling na pa.
Okay. Kanina ko pa napapansin yun, kaya mag-ano sila, parang may nasa likod nila na ilaw.
Actually, fit sa likod mo.
Ha?
Sa likod mo kayo.
Gogi, ang bilis nang tumakbo.
Eh, gago, mali. Kaya pinip... kanan ng puta. Brad, di ko.
Hindi niya na kayang tumakbo ng feeling.
Stay out of sight.
Ayan si JK.
Tago-tago.
Huwag kayong
Kita yung maitim.
Huwag kayong huwag kayong ihanda niyo yung mga kamay niyo, mga pumindot, putik.
Ayan na nga.
Uy, pumuntot na, Max. Ano ibig sabihin yan?
Ipinutin niya sa tip.
Kaya ko yun, galing-galing ko eh.
Kung magaling ka, huwag kang magkakamali, ah.
Galing ni Max, oh.
Ay, gago, dito! Hindi siya napindot. Hindi talaga napindot. Baliw na yan.
Gagi, ayun.
Lagi ka.
Tapos, Derek. Gagi na yan.
Gagi, sa huli na dapat.
Pinayanin ko eh. Ay,
Una naman ang balat niyan, gago.
Kasi bakit, Max? Sabi mo pa, ang galing-galing ko, tapos biglang ganon.
Na talaga.
Gagi, mag-iiwan yan.
Help.
Kahit tayo niyan, boy.
Ayun, perfect.
Ay,
Eric!
Uy.
pampakalmot yung
Pull me up.
Gogi.
O, at least ninulungan kita, hindi kita nilaglag, diba, Rachel?
Papatayin natin
Oo.
karakter.
Move out.
Patayin natin karakter na yan, no? Ni...
Deserve yun.
Tinulungan ka nga eh. Tinulungan yung character mo.
Feeling ko
Asa-
nakakayabit
Kahit
yan.
Parang
Kahit
yan.
nakalmot.
Bakit yan,
Kalmot
bakit?
yung ano eh. Buhay pa yan? Matay niyan? Gogi, buhay pa.
Boy,
Yan.
Ang build ng ano.
kaya nga, naka-tank build.
Mm. Ba't pumuti yung buhok niya?
You think that thing's gone?
Sa stress.
Looked like it went down that tunnel.
Gusto mo kasi Rachel eh.
Naging red yung buhok.
He's alive.
Perfect.
Jason's alive.
Maybe things aren't going so badly after all.
Back there, oh. Thanks for looking out for me.
Eh.
BFF na sila, oh.
Yes.
Pero sila pala yung magkakatuluyan, no? Iiwan nila si Rachel.
Oh.
Eh,
Yun yun,
nagkakatinginan, no?
Romance yan eh. Oo,
All right,
diba?
let's find Kolchak.
Yun nga, kaya nga nila pinatay eh. Deserve.
Dapat hindi talaga
Eh,
nagjojowahan sa
What are you waiting
trabaho.
for? A written
Mga pangit
invitation?
nito.
Let's go.
Sama ng tingin niyo.
Ayun o, diba? Nagagalit si ano.
It's absolutely not the time.
Rachel, I know you said to put things on ice, but you can't pretend like this didn't happen. I'm done lying, especially with you wearing your ring again.
Oh my
He's
God.
right. It is time. Roll it out for us.
Now? Right fucking now?
Yes, now. We may not have another chance.
Fine.
Uncharted territory.
Eric.
Ibig sabihin mo yung ano.
You and I, we had something very special.
What?
But that was a long time ago.
Oh no.
Yan.
Lansya lang tayo, boy.
Oo, ganun lang. O diba, angas. Meron pang aura.
This isn't about choosing. It's about knowing what's best for me.
Nagsasalita siya gamit yung kilay niya.
I don't have feelings for you, Eric.
Oo. Ganun na kilay niya.
Not anymore.
Patay na eh.
You either, Nick.
Oo,
We're done.
Oh, shit.
I don't believe it.
Double breakup.
Believe it. We were over a year ago.
gagi ka.
I don't need anyone's help
Kasi
to climb out of
pinapili
this
mo
hole.
eh. Ayan.
So now you both know. Maybe we can stop fucking around and go find Kolchak.
Oh, wala lang pinipili. Sabi mo, what just happened? What just happened? Kasi parehas kayo maghiniwalayan.
Say nothing. Wala na.
Nothing.
just happened?
Nantsalan niya eh. Wala to.
Kunwari nga sila ngayon magkakatuluyan nga eh.
Tuluyan.
Awi sila na lang.
We just got our
Tayo
asses
na lang,
done.
bro.
Ano, we just got our asses.
Bro, man. Bro.
Romance. Romance.
Romance, hell
Ito
na.
pa, ganyan pala yung storyline.
Kaya pala gusto ni Max yan.
Yo. Bading.
Kaya pala.
Wala ako na naman. Napakadami kong karakter, hayo.
Dalawa.
Dalawa yakin, gago. Si Eric.
Kaya pala pinos mo.
I've seen
Double
some
down.
fucked up shit in my life. Nothing comes close to this. They don't seem to be following.
Do you like to wait for them, or
Don't need to be a smart ass. Just move.
So,
Saan mo, bobo ka?
bitawan mo yung ano.
Yun.
Ano mo si babasahin? Tinitignan mo sa likod.
Para
Tama,
tapos
buksan.
Ang bobo.
Dalawa lang.
Mahalaga ba?
Dalawa.
Pero pwede sa
Meron pa ata sa likod.
Wala na.
Ah,
Bibidot ko eh. Ayaw eh.
Awak mo na.
Nabasa mo yung sinabi?
Hindi nga eh.
Ako din eh.
Hindi ko binabasa yan. Ako, ayaw ng mouse. Baliw, ayaw naman ng mouse.
Ayun na.
Ayaw eh. Kanina nga ayaw eh.
Think this is a safe way back? What the hell was that?
Ay, nakarte na naiikot ah.
Oo ah. Tapak is this?
Iyak ano yun?
What is that? Cocoon? It looks like those things came from here.
Ay.
Looks like formaldehyde.
When did you become a scientist?
Lagi, para mawawarak pa yan mamaya.
We should stay clear of it.
Pupuno yung mga tao.
Yung kukun. Ang dami.
Pati,
Belongs to Randolph Hodgson. Maybe he's got some intel that could help.
That didn't help him.
Ano babuksan to? Tanginang
Tawag
yan.
mo lang yung ano, yung pag-account. Ang daming nakasulat.
Tanginang yan, hayop.
wala palang laman.
Laman ng
Yung mga nalalaglag dyan galing.
Yung mga binabasa kanina.
Ayun na naman yung nagbabag na naman yung ano, gago.
Ayun,
Dami.
meron. Nakakatakot. Meron yan, feeling ko. Dahil magbiblink yan nung katulad nung kanina.
Hindi na nagsusumin eh.
Wala lang mag-zoom in. No?
Awa ka.
Next. Daming nakapatong sa mga bagay-bagay.
May lakit. Nabubuksan siguro yan.
Itaw ko lang.
Mary Hodgson.
Diba?
She's gotta be his wife.
Their story didn't end so well. Jason,
Napakagaling na magbalik.
What? I can't end up like this.
Ito na.
Ay na may story na ulit.
This was all Lady Bradshaw's doing. She knew all along what was down here. She led us to them. I found her below, hunched over the murdered corpse of Van Hoyten. As she turned to face me, I saw that she had changed. My hand fell to the closest weapon I could find, an iron tent peg. I stabbed her with the metal, impaling her in the heart.
Yung kinuha natin kanina, yun namatay. Si Lady Bradshaw yun.
Unholy screams echoed from deep below, as if answering the sudden release of blood.
Yung pinang-stab ko kay ano, kay Joey ba yan? Ito na. Cutscene.
Checkpoint. Dapat gugutom mo.
Kain na.
Ay, no.
Kaya nga.
At nakuweba na sila ng Sons of the Forest.
Oo. Parang ano eh. Alien civilization.
Yeah, what you said. What the fuck is this place?
Yan ni Golden Armor tsaka yung ano. Ano, spaceship ba yung hype na yun? Mga spaceship ang puta.
Ang laki na niya. Nakala ko temple lang yun.
What is this hell?
Mas malalim na sila.
Is this even real? We are being judged. God is punishing us all for the mistakes we've ever made. Zane is all I have left in this world. After my wife left us, I gave him my all. I wanted him to have everything I didn't.
Single parent. Tough fucking gig.
It is. But my boy has made me very proud. He's going to London, to university. If only he would stop stealing. I miss him so much. Is your conscience clear, Jason?
This place. They're sure to come back here. I can hear you thinking.
We're waiting for something to happen. Maybe we should take the initiative and make something happen.
What you have in mind?
We go inside there and we find a way to hurt them.
Hey, whatever happens out there, I got your back.
Hey,
We'll stand
bro,
together.
man.
The only way.
Ito din,
Kapatigan.
meron din.
Yung naging bromance na to ah.
Meron na rin din dito nagaganap na something.
Lamig hayop.
Ito naman single dad.
19 kami rito ngayon, gago. Ilan kayo dyan, ano? Ilan Celsius kayo dyan, Pitch? Tsaka ate.
Ha? Di ko na-gets.
Ilan lamig nyo dyan sa inyo?
Hindi,
Okay dyan.
hindi ko alam.
Dalawa lang dito.
Ako dalawa lang kami. Sa likod.
Gago na, 19 Celsius dito sa Kabanatuan ngayon. Tak, napakalamig, hayop.
I-search mo na lang yung sa amin.
Hindi ko
Eh,
malala.
malamig dito.
May fireworks.
Yun. Tapos magmamoment sila.
Awi, kiss.
Sasayaw sila dyan.
Kanina pa yun.
Fly.
Wala kasi ano eh. Sobrang lakas
Ano,
na-
fireworks.
Ayun, oh, gago. Hindi nila nakita yun.
Alam mo. Pinaata kayo.
Pamugkis eh.
Parang spaceship, gago. Kung ano, UF Nigger.
Alam naman yan.
Yan.
Kasi napakyan.
Oo nga, parang spaceship.
Ang alien. Parang sa ano yung sa Alien vs Predator. Ano yung pangalan ng palabas na yun?
Yun.
Hindi, yung isa pa, yung isa pa. Hindi, yung isa pa. Yung isa pa, yung isa pa. Yung... Hindi.
Alien versus Predator 2.
Yung ano, yung bago nagawa, bago naging ano, yung pinatay yung mga engineer.
I-check na maigi baka meron pa kayong kaligtaan.
Oo.
Alien versus Predator BC.
There's more
Ayup.
everywhere.
Is it just me or is it alive?
Alien installation.
Ayun! Alien installation ba yun yung ano? Yung pinatay ng synthetic na human yung ano, mga engineer.
Oo, yun nga yun. Yun nga yun.
Hindi ko naabutan yun.
Parang ganito yun yan po.
Ako naabutan ko, pero sa kwento pa lang na ano, 3 generation namin.
Yung mga engineer. Yung ano, yung first pinnacle of human. Yung creator ng humans,
Bata
engineer.
pa ata ako nun eh. Hindi ko alam yan.
Bago lang yun ate. Noong ano lang yata, 2025 lang yata. O 2024.
Ayos oh. Matindi pa sa medyo 1 year old pa lang.
2 years old naman.
God didn't make these creatures.
It's possible we've got this.
2 years old naman, 2026 na eh.
What's that supposed to mean?
Gifted.
Maybe we were
Very special.
Gumagalaw.
Nag-movies matay.
How far down?
Idutin mo, boy!
Check this out.
Wait, sounds like music.
That don't sound like any music from where I'm from.
Okay, maybe
Mysterious
No.
artifact, gago.
a language.
You've seen those motherfuckers. They're not exactly the chatty type.
Hingit ko lang. Alam niyo yung story dun sa ano, yung sa Deathville na NPC na nakaupo doon sa fireplace.
Those
Hindi.
things are intelligent.
Ano yun?
Ay, yung time traveler.
Yung ba yun?
Kaganyari sa karakter ko.
Yung
Yung nakaskin na ano, na black, yung parang Black Panther.
Hindi, bakit? Ano meron doon?
Hindi ko alam yun.
May
Ay, di
nag-iwan,
ko alam yun.
may nag-iwan kasi dun sa Deadpool ng ano, ng Whisper. Kasi nakakalaro niya yung kapatid niya.
Oo, napanood ko yun. Inano siya yung may sakit.
Yung may sakit. Nilalaro niya
Tapos sinama siya dun sa quest ng Once Human.
kahit wala na yung kapatid niya.
Wala na yung kapatid niyo.
Tapos ginawa
Yung ano, yung
Yung NPC sila. Yung
katulad ng
kapatid
skin
ata.
ko. Yung katulad ba ng skin ko?
yung
Alam,
Black Panther.
alam ko yan. Sayang.
Naalala ko na sila.
Kaya nga eh, no?
Pussy.
Malungkot nga lang.
Kagi, gumagalaw. Ayun. Ayun ko makita.
Wait, sino bang makontrol ito?
See that? Of course I fucking saw it. That creature is fossilized. Must be millions of years old.
Bakit siya
Call ko na.
Bakit siya nagligtas?
Oh.
Hindi kasi siya yung makakahawak sana, di ba?
Pero parang ano, parang quick time event din para dun kay Stan. Kasi siya yung naghatak.
Tapos siya pa yung wala sa ano, no? Uy,
We must lose sight of each other.
Gago si ano to ah. Si ano. Ay si ano. Yung sa unang karakter. Yung ano, Hari. Yung Hari nga.
Di ba yun yung
ano
kasama
yun?
sa
Bakit?
tutorial?
Yung Hari.
Pero isipin mo, hindi man lang naagnas yung katawan niya.
Hindi yung kalahati. Eh no?
This guy's goddamn
Eh,
biblical.
kalahati niya.
Yung ano,
Gagalaw ka. Sabi niya.
Did you see that?
yung kalahati kung saan may
He's
liquid.
still alive. Oh, that's impossible. In this place.
Di ba yun yung
Everything's
boot yan na ano?
Tingin si everything's
Dalawa sa tutorial.
He's been alive all this time? Just sitting here with half a head?
Fluid.
Si Marco yan ah.
It must have preserved his flesh.
Marco Paul.
His brain.
Sa on Titan.
What should we do? We can't leave him like this.
Well, shit. He's had enough time to get used to it.
I'm serious.
Barili mo.
Ang tagal mo nang nandyan, no?
Knows will attract the vampires. I'll do it.
Oo, tagal mo nandiyan. Tapos nakanganga ha. Bawit yan.
Nakanganga yung kalahating ulo mo.
ارتحت دلوقتي في موتك.
Game over. Siya kasi yung parang naman-bother talaga. Nakatikit yung
Grabe nun. All this time. Buhay pa pala sa takting.
Sakit sa ulo ng motion Larayop.
ang likot mo kasi bata.
Nakakara mo kung nasa nasa barko ha, hayop na yan.
Ang likot. Pero
Tira mo, pag inikot mo ganyan, oh, putang
Ay,
ina.
gagi. Sa ulo ang pumanong ko.
Sakit sa...
Parang
Sakit sa...
tanga naman.
Halip na yan.
Max, huwag mong gawin yun, nakakain.
Gising na si ano, si... Hindi, may pasok nga pala yung hayop na yan.
Sino?
Gagawa ko dito at dito pala.
Ingat
Saan
habang may
kayo?
premonition.
Asan na kayo? Kalaban ko! Paano natin ito? Yay! Di ba?
Uy, nag-iingay kayo pag ganyan.
Hindi yan.
Wala na yun siguro.
Uy, sa likod! Eh, mukhang gargoyle yung mga ano ah.
Uy, pre, balikan mo yung kanina, yung sinabi ko, pakita mo sa kanila. Hindi sila naniniwala eh.
Wala yun. Multo lang yun.
Meron.
Yung guni-guni nyo yun.
Mas
Takina,
malala-
nakaharang.
Mas malala
Ayop.
sa Man of Medan. Yung tahimik lang pero nakatayo lang sa isang sulok.
Oo, yun nga eh. Nakakatakot yun eh. Yung nasa likod ko, nakikita mo yung nangyayari.
Yung tsura. Nakanganga. Gagot tinuhog.
Mas malala sa Man of Medan. Promise.
Ingat ah. Puro kasi hawak eh.
It's late. Looks like someone's been avoiding the dentist. No fangs.
Can you see? The bone is ruptured where they should be, as though smashed from the inside out.
What are you saying?
Maybe these things weren't originally vampires. Maybe they got infected.
Lawak naman yan.
Nagbigitan pa sa likod.
Angay, takina. Napakatagal ko, hayop niya.
What is it?
Hanggang mamaya pa kayo dyan.
We hit the mother load.
Bakit? Gago, niluwang. Uy, grabe. Puki ng ina. Vampira.
Nadiri, parang ano.
Yung kokon.
Ano yun?
Mga kokons.
And I am thinking what you're
Yung helicopter mo.
Anong tawag
Nadiri,
doon?
tingnan eh.
Ay, nasabi sa'yo, pag napakan nila yan. Ano, may sunod yan. Huwag yung paputukin ha.
Yo, nga, apahan ko yun.
Mayos ka, Mak.
Yo,
Ay,
apahan
wag
ko
mo.
yun. Apahan ko ito. Apahan ko to. Yee.
Ay, nako. Magkamali ka ng tapang. Sabi sa'yo,
Magaling.
Oh, ito napakan niya. Ito napakan niya.
ano,
Puputo.
nagigising.
Ano, spark clear. Gago na
Gagi, palamdan.
Op, banking. Tangin na, napakahirap kontrolin.
Alam ko bang may diretsong daan sa gitna.
Op, ya.
Wala.
No flashlight.
Meron.
Tapang.
Para hindi mangyari yung premonition. Ito kung hindi mo gagi.
Nice, superhero natin po yun. Yung transfusion.
Uy, huwag mo pa rin hawakan pang pan.
Check this out. They died fighting each other.
Like dogs fighting over food.
Don't make sense. I thought these things were a pack. Trained.
Huwag mo pakan.
Why would they fight each other?
I can.
Hawak na nga ako.
Napakagod pa lang nila.
I got something for you.
Oh, hell na.
I'll cover you. Go.
Tapos biglang hinatak yan, ano?
O kaya may nakaharap mo. Nakadapa na, nakaharap pala.
Pero,
Save point, save point.
ayun yung Mother Queen. Nandiyan, Hive Lord yan, Hive Lord.
Shit, Nikki. You turned up like the fucking cavalry. I thought you
Asan
were
yung
dead.
dalawa?
Lord yan. Si Max
Not
pa
my
yan,
time.
Demon Lord.
Demon Lord ng puta.
Sentence to be.
Asa si ano? Si Rahel.
You made it.
Wala, iniwan ulit.
Man, crawling through that tunnel was a highly unpleasant experience.
Wala nang nag-aantay sa'yo. Wala kang jowa.
Good to see you again, man. Take my hand.
Wala kang may pake.
Wala
Ayun ang alalayan ng
Yeah.
dalawa si Rachel.
Beach kasi eh. Beach eh.
Glad you're here, man.
Malapit naman ng camera.
This place.
O, ayan, nilayo na. Oh, hindi na ako. Nice one.
Oh no.